Well, I hope you guys have been enjoying the Amish Monday moments, the Amish Jack on the Goes, the Amish cooking episodes. Um, I wanted to give you your last moment. It's a thing called Rumspringa. I'm guessing that's how it's pronounced. Rumspringa is when the Amish teenagers they experience this period where they explore the outside world. They go into the real world. They experience everything going on. God help them. And, they decide whether they want to go back and remain the rest of their life doing it the Amish ways, if they want to be part of the world. It's kind of a testing period. I don't know if I feel very comfortable sending my kid after raising him properly for all those years out into the world, but so we'll see. Um, but it's something I'm almost positive they still do this period of time. I know each culture and each faith-based culture, like Mormons, um, I know they have different periods in their growth process. Well, this is a uh, kind of testing, and then they can decide whether they want to be baptized, into the church and commit to an Amish lifestyle if they want to live the worldly way, that kind of a thing. Not sure why you would add this in, probably because, if you don't let them go explore and experience, they're going to explore and experience, on their own. So, so be it. But it's called Rumspringa. And once again, if you watch the Jack on the Go episodes, you'll find out, do they still do Rumspringa? Do they still drop out in eighth grade? Do they still study German? Are they still considered Pennsylvania Dutch roots and heritage? Um, we'll ask all those questions. If you haven't watched, it'll be Cooking with Jack, all cooking recipes from the Amish. Um, and then if you go check out the Jack on the Go, we're gonna go visit a bunch of Amish places. Should be exciting. Great month of February. You guys be safe. I love you. Take care.